Welcome back to ReDesignYourGrind.com. My name is Shane, and in today's Web Builder 101 video, we are going to be discussing Shopify.com. So Shopify.com is one of those web builders that I've used quite extensively, so this is not going to be a video of somebody walking into Shopify with absolutely no knowledge of it, like some of the other ones, Wix or Squarespace I had never used before. So take that for what it's worth. I actually really enjoy this, and this is what I do recommend to everyone because I feel that I can give the best advice and content on it, but also because if people have questions about the functionality of Shopify, I can normally provide them with a pretty quick and easy answer. Shopify.com is an e-commerce platform primarily, but it's a website builder tool also. So you can build a blogging site, any type of landing page, click funnel, affiliate marketing site, anything like that you want. And it's just so easy. It's intuitive, the controls all make sense, and it's easy to navigate and move around for the most part. Shopify is my preferred just because I've spent the most time on it and I kind of know the ins and outs of it. I like some of the analytical parts that you can add, the Facebook Pixel, Google Pixel, that kind of stuff. And we'll go into that in a different video in terms of analytics and tracking your website traffic and interaction. However, I just prefer this one because I spend the most time on it, plain and simple. We just go ahead and hit the free trial button here and start your free 14-day trial of Shopify. Go ahead and pop that bad boy in there. And we're going to call this Hello Bits. Alright, so are you already selling? No. I'm not selling products yet. Yes, I have products and I'm ready to launch. I'm just getting started. I'm not developing for a client. Then you'll put in all of your information. Boom, little bits, little bits, whatever. So we're in. Now, your trial just started. You got 14 days here rather than the 30-day free trials on some of the other ones. So first thing, home, orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, discounts, apps, right? And your online store down here. So first thing you want to do, it asks you to add a product. I always go down to customize theme first. So it starts you in debut. You can go down to explore free themes and just pick whatever free theme you want. There are also custom themes that you can pay for as well, and they're really, really awesome and have a lot of functionality. However, they do cost like 160 bucks. So, you can definitely start with one of these. A couple of different styles here. We're gonna go ahead and add Brooklyn. Brooklyn's pretty decent. I don't actually use Brooklyn for any of my current websites, but alright, so you can go to customize. And now you just have all of this placeholder stuff here. So left hand side here, you're going to see the header, image with overlay, featured collection, slideshow, right? Just super intuitive. So you go to your header, logo, select image, upload an image, jump into your computer, find your little bits, bam. All right, cool. Little bits is up there now. Select. You can change the size of it. So if you want to make it larger, smaller, whatever. You can go ahead and put different logos in your favicon as well. And you can change your main menu options and your navigation. Also, under the header, there's going to be an announcement bar here. So you can show the announcement or not show the announcement or show it on the home page only. And then just come in here and you can say like free shipping like everyone else. Or you can say, you're awesome. Cool. Right here, we can upload an image. We only have one image right now, so we're going to upload that one. Cool. Bam. We can select that. Go down. Change our heading. Welcome to Little Bits. So you can change all of these options here, your text size, your section height and stuff. You can change your label. And you can also have this linked to, say, a product, a blog, anything like that. You can have it linked to whatever you want. So, come out here, go ahead and hit save real quick. Jump into the next one. This is our featured collection. So after we added all those products that it wanted us to add in the beginning, we could go ahead and filter them around. We can change the amount of rows and columns and stuff that show on our homepage, and then all of these will be linked to direct products as well. So just super intuitive, right? Just easy. Then we've got a slideshow. Let's say we got a whole bunch of neat images or something like that that we want to show off, or whatever. Just go down here, image slide, select image, bam. Of course I still only have the one image, but you get the picture. All right. And then down here you got your footer. That's all customizable as well, and you can get rid of the Shopify tag down here, and I will do a short part of a Shopify video to show you how to do that as well. All right, easy enough, super intuitive. You can add pages and things and junk and stuff, whatever you want. Yeah, you can change your colors. You can add all of your social media links and things like that down here. It's just easy, Costs $30 a month. That's about what the rest of them cost at the end of the day, but it's a monthly charge, and you don't get hit with like a $300 charge all at once or anything like that. If you would like to build your own website and have absolutely no coding experience or no HTML experience, then this is a great resource in my opinion. This is the one that I always recommend. It does come with a 14-day free trial, and if you're interested, you can build a complete website and preview it before you even pay $1. Okay guys, so like I said before, I've used Shopify. I have a couple of brands with Shopify stores on them. I really enjoy the platform. It is my favorite platform of the ones that I've tried. So please let me know down below if you've tried Shopify or you have a Shopify brand. I'd love to check out your store, maybe even do a review video on different Shopify stores from people in the community. Also, if you don't like Shopify, let me know why. And if you have a different website builder that you prefer, let me know why as well. I really want that information, and I think that would be super helpful to any new entrepreneurs out there just trying to put their first website together for the first time. So if this content has been helpful to you or you found it informative, please hit that like button down below. Hit the bell icon so you get notified of any upcoming content from Redesign Your Grind. And as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one to Redesign Your Grind.